Oh, excuse me. Hi guys. So I am back again with another video, and today we are going to talk about how to get more engagement in your comment section with your webtoon. I don't know why I'm saying that as if I have the miracle solution, because I'm still struggling because talking to people is hard because I'm an introvert and I can't handle small talk. But of course, you want to engage with the readers and see what they liked, and want to get comments to see if they're reading it, and it's just like a vicious cycle. So I sound like I know what I'm doing. I don't. I'm just like winging it. And so far I've winged it. I have flown to this point to where I get comments now on my webtoon. My most recent one that I updated, March 31st. I'm going to speed all the way down, so I'm trying not to give you guys motion sickness, but I think I'm at 90 comments right now, and half of those comments are from me replying back, and then other people replying, "You guys are so nice." Let me focus. Okay, so how I go about receiving or getting more engagement in my comment section is I ask questions. Oh, it zoomed up. I ask questions in my comment section, or I'll leave little questions at the end of the creator's notes. And sometimes my questions might be silly questions. I might want to know, what did you guys think of their favorite scene, or if a certain scene in the comic, if they can relate to that. Like with episode 8, when Oriana was gonna write was trying to what was she trying to do? What's the word? She was trying to scam. I shouldn't laugh at this. Her little cousin said that she's not single by choice, so she was trying to tell her little cousin and prove to her little cousin that she is single by choice. And her cousin dared her to get a certain someone's phone number, not knowing that this certain someone is her co-star for a fake variety show where they're married. And since Oriana is not cool enough apparently to her cousin, Oriana's awesome to her cousin dared her to get his number. And I asked the audience if they also remember writing their numbers down on their hands. So that's one of the questions I asked them in the comments, because I wanted to see if they could relate to Oriana and kind of relate to me, because I'm showing my age, because I used to do that where you write down people's numbers on your hands, or the gel pens. It's just I just had memories. Anyways, that's how I would go about leaving comments to try, and what kind of helps me to increase engagement, because I learned that a lot of conversations, and this might just be me overthinking things, but a lot of conversations, at least for an introvert like me, is more so just questions and answers. And if I want to talk to someone, usually I can start a conversation by asking a question that they usually want to answer, and then it just kind of snowballs from there. Questions that they can relate to, that's kind of relevant. And when I mean relevant, it's not I'm not going to ask them. I mean, I could ask them hey, is the sky blue where you're at, or something. I'm not good with conversation things, so I don't know how people start conversations, which is why I fall back to comics and I talk about comics. So I mean, you could use that for asking questions in your comment section. Anyways, let me focus. My train of thought. How I go about increasing engagement and getting more comments in my comment section on my comic, on my webtoon, is I ask questions. I ask relevant questions. I just try to hold conversations, try to crack a joke or whatnot with people who are reading it, and I hope that they reply back. And usually they do. And then sometimes not sometimes, but the majority of the time, I try to reply back to all comments, at least a large majority of them, even though sometimes they don't reply back to me. But that's okay, because everybody has a life. I'm not the center of their world. I don't need their attention 24/7. I'm not that vain. I'm not vain. I need to work on that. I am a little vain, just a little bit. Anyways, asking questions and then replying to comments also helped. And it's cute, because sometimes they're oh my god, I didn't think you replied. And it's of course I reply. I love reading comments. have a vanity issue, so I want to know what you like about my story and why you like it, and I want you to tell me more nice things. But hey, it increases engagement, so it's working for me. So if that's what you're looking for, reply back to comments and ask questions, and boom, you have a recipe for comment engagement increase for your webtoons. So that's it for my tutorial. I also wrote a blog post about it, so you can check that out at my website, S-Morishitastudio.com. And if you guys have any other questions, or if you guys like to check out my comic, Catch Me, Fight Me, Love Me, shameless plug, my words, I'm getting nervous, you can check it out on Webtoon or on my website as well. So I think that's all for today. If you have any comments, let me know down below, and I will talk to you guys again another day or night. It's still early in the morning. I need to go to bed. Okay, bye guys. Bye-bye.